Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make this cool effect that you see in the thumbnail as well. It's actually really easy, so this will be a pretty short video. Let's jump right into it. First off, you want to choose your background color. It can be any color, it doesn't have to be black. So we're going to start off and try out with another color just to switch things up. We're going to go with this bright orange. Then we're going to press Command 2 on our keyboard and we're going to lock our background in place. This way we don't mess up anything and we don't risk of like moving it around if we don't want to. Grab the type tool, click and write your letter or your word. You can do this with anything. Actually, it doesn't have to be a single letter. You want to make 2 copies of your letter. Now, the bottom copy, or the letter you wrote first, has to be the color of your background. So I'm going to press I on my keyboard to grab the eyedropper tool. Otherwise, you can just click here. And I'm going to click, and that will make it the same color of my background. Next, for the other, you can basically choose whichever color you want. Now, here's a little cool tip. You can make two rectangles. Let's make them both the color of your background. Then you're just going to select one. Hold down, I don't remember if it was Shift or, yeah, that's right. Hold down Shift and click on this. Then click on this menu and select complement, and it will find you the complementary color for your background. So let's try making our A this light blue color. Then you're going to select both of your letters. You're going to go to Object, Blend, Make. And as you can see, you get that already hint of effect. Then go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. Otherwise, if you don't want to do all this, you can just double click here, which is the blend tool, and this window will pop up, which is the blend options window. You're going to select specified steps and you're going to decide how many steps you want. Now, we don't need that many. Remember, the more steps you add, the more complex of a shape you get. As you can see, if we lower the number, you're going to get sort of like this effect. But we want to go like halfway there. So let's go with about 80. If you have lots of specified steps, your computer might crash. That's just a warning. You can just double click on your letters, then click again, and you can edit whichever letter you want. So I'm going to make them closer together and slightly angle it upwards, just because I think it looks nice. And yeah, that's basically it. Now you can change letters. This is still fully editable, so if you don't like the colors you chose or whatever, you can just double click, click again, and let's change colors. Let's go with, I don't know, let's go with black. You get something like this. Pretty cool. Now we can do the inverse, so let's go to Object, Unlock All, because we want to change our background. Double click here, let's make our background black, then Command 2 to lock it, double click, click on your orange letter and make it black, click on your black letter and make it orange. And yeah, that's basically it. It's pretty cool. Really simple, but real nice effect. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe if you want and comment if you have any tutorial requests. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.